G'day, it's Phil from PT Precision Automotive again. 2026 Ford F-150. So you can't put roof racks on them, right? So I've actually made some brackets up. Well, I've remachined some brackets and I've made it fit to the roof. Because the roof, the only way you can get a roof rack is it sits on this panel and clips underneath this door, and then it'll sit on the seal, and the seal on this for the door. I don't want that, right? So I've used this brand bracket, if you can get in there, on it, and then I've machined it up a bit. I've marked it all out. I've made sure the sunroof doesn't hit. The sunroof comes up and the sunroof slides back. It's very, very close when it goes up, but it's still away from it. So now I have to drop the roof lining, and I'm going to rivet a 6mm rivet nut stainless steel into that channel. There's two pieces of metal that are glued together basically for the frame of the roof. I'm not going to be carrying a lot of weight on there. I'm carrying like surfboards or ski gear, stuff like that, or a ladder. There wouldn't be over 50 kilos on that roof, so I don't think there's a problem with putting it in. People have said don't do it, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to do it because I need a car with bloody roof racks no matter what. So I've got them on there, I've marked them up where they're going to go. I'm happy with that position, and then later I'm going to drop the roof lining and because there'll be air curtains and bags in here, curtains in here. I've got to make sure I don't hit any of them whilst drilling through the roof and then sealing it all. So I'll video that part as well, but this is some underway doing it. I've made all the bracketry up, everything's fitting. You know, it's going to drill through my roof. Yeah. Anyway, we'll video some more of it as we go. Yeah? Cool. Okay, so I've been in the roof lining, up into the roof lining, in behind the sunroof, to have a look at where the airbags or curtain airbags will be and the wiring harness. So I've done that with a camera up in through this rail in here. There is airbags. They're situated along this rail in here and wiring harness. So I was pretty confident to know that by this edge here and where it's glued, the roof part is glued to this A-pillar part, that there wouldn't be anything inside here. I could get down there, but I couldn't see all the way along. So I decided, fuck it, I'll do it. And I've done it. I've marked all the roof out, right, where you're going to put the roof racks. And I drilled a little pilot hole, and now I've drilled the 9mm hole actually, for the rivet to go in. And then I've had a look down inside with the camera. I've got a side angle camera which will show inside the roof cavity, and there's nothing inside there, right? So it's a clear shot. That's inside the roof cavity, yeah? So I'm all good to go. So I'm confident. I've just got to mark the red, or marked and center punches. Obviously there's the glue. There's about 2.5 mil of glue. Then it's a good sheet or two of steel that I've drilled through. And obviously I'm vacuuming the crap out. Like I'm vacuuming as I'm drilling, and I'm going very slowly with the drill, using a pilot drill of a 2.5, and then I'm going to the 9mm for the stainless steel rivet that I've got. So anyway, good luck. Looks like it's going to work. So I don't want to ruin my car, but anyway, it's good. Okay, so I've got the drill holes. So I used a pilot drill, 2.5, then a 9mm. But what you've got to see is that sealant is quite thick. So the riv nut will sit on top and squash, and not squash properly into it. So I've countersunk that out to put that riv nut down below onto the steel, right? So if you're going to do it, just be very careful. You've got to get that riv nut underneath that steel, because if not, I'll show you what it'll look like. That's a squashed riv nut, right? So it's got to get under the steel so it can bite on the steel. Otherwise it's going to bite on the sealant. Coming to rivet the blind rivets in. So obviously there's a lot of sealant in this channel. It's about 2.5, 3 mil thick. So I've had to actually clean all that sealant out. I actually used a woodwork tool to open it up. So the rivet will actually go down underneath that sealant, right? So it'll go bind onto that roof, the steel part. The steel part's about nearly 2 mil thick, but it's this sealant that was the problem. If you have a look on the other side, you'll see how I've buried it down. I've actually rust treated that fresh steel as well over the weekend, let that sit. So I'm ready to put these all in. And have a look at the other side. So, there you go. So as you can see, I've put these rivets in, they're in, and I've actually got some touch-up paint for my car, so I've actually put the paint around there, which will add a bit of sealant to it. This is the tool that I use to clean the glue out of the head, and then I just went around it with a screwdriver and just picked out anything that might be there as well, so that the rivet is right down onto that seal, onto the steel part of the roof, so it should be good. So that's it, it's just going along. Show you the finished product. Okay, I've got them all bolted on, all worked out really well. So I have put underneath the brackets, I've all sealed it all up. There's an air conditioning sealant that we use to wrap around aircon pipes. I've actually cut and made some, molded that in to put under the bracket that bolts to the roof, just for another sealant. I'll put sealant on the screws that hold it to the roof, but they're all good. So you got Rhino rack tubes, you got Max liner brackets, which I have modified. I got 6x1 mil rivets going into the roof, and it's stainless steel screws and washers holding that all in. So it fits neatly. There's a gap, there's about 5 mil underneath this. It's all I want it all low, right? So I want it all low. I'm only going to be carrying surfboards and ski gear. That's all I'm going to do. These are really strong racks, so I think they take a lot more, but they say it can't be done, it's done. Painful, long time doing it, making sure it's right, but it's all sorted, yeah?